Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
The health and wellness industry just changed. If you are a coach, trainer, or even digital entrepreneur, what you are about to see could completely transform how you make money online. Because for the first time ever, there is now a way to launch a fully automated health and wellness business in minutes without tech skills, without hiring anyone. If you run a health, wellness or fitness business, or you want to start one without any tech headaches, watch this until the end, because in the next few minutes, you're going to see how health and wellness professionals, freelancers and total beginners are launching complete revenue generating their health coaching and training businesses online in under 10 minutes without writing a single line of code, without hiring a developer and without paying $900 plus every single month for a stack of tools that barely work together. Here's the truth no one in the health and wellness industry wants to admit. The global health and wellness market is worth over $30 billion. It is growing faster than almost any other industry on earth. And yet, most yoga teachers, personal trainers, gym owners and Pilates studios are still running their entire business on WhatsApp. No professional website, no online booking, no way to automatically collect payments, no system to manage clients, staff or trainers, no content going out, no digital presence at all. Sounds familiar? Maybe you've been meaning to fix your website for months. Maybe you got a quote from a developer, $1,000 or more, and a 3-month wait and put it off. Maybe you bought a Wix or Squarespace subscription, stared at a blank template, felt overwhelmed and quietly closed the tab. Maybe you are still quoting package prices and collecting payments over WhatsApp at 11 p.m. because that's just how it's always worked. You keep meaning to fix it, but it's exhausting, expensive, confusing, and you're already running a full training schedule. Here's what that's actually costing you. If you're losing just 2 clients per month to a better looking competitor, a trainer who's half as qualified as you, but whose website does everything automatically, you're leaving $2,400 to $7,200 on the table every single year. What if every single one of those problems disappeared today? Instead of waiting 3 months for a developer, your yoga, Pilates, strength training, wellness website is live in under 10 minutes. Instead of manually collecting payments on WhatsApp, clients book and pay through your site automatically. Instead of spending an hour writing a meal plan, AI generates a personalized diet and workout plan the moment a client signs up. Instead of staring at a blank blog editor, your AI content writer drafts a full SEO optimized post in seconds. Instead of managing clients in a notebook, your full CRM tracks every client, trainer, and staff member in one place. Instead of stitching together 6 different tools, everything runs inside one dashboard already connected. That's not a fantasy. That's exactly what Fitzo AI was built to deliver. Introducing Fitzo AI, the world's first AI platform built exclusively for the health fitness industry. Groundbreaking complete AI business platform that builds your professional yoga studio, gym, Pilates, personal training or strength training website, runs your CRM, takes bookings, collects payments, writes your content, creates videos, generates diet plans, manages your staff, and sells your products all inside one dashboard live in minutes. No developer, no monthly subscriptions, no technical setup. One app, every tool a fitness professional or digital entrepreneur could possibly need. Here's everything inside Fitzo AI. When you get Fitzo AI today, here's what's included. 5 AI generated health and wellness websites, yoga, strength training, Pilates, personal training, gym. 4 panels, owner, client, staff and trainer, separate logins, domain plus subdomain publishing options, lead and client CRM to track every inquiry and customer, online booking system for sessions and classes, trainer or staff management, assign, schedule, organize, basic membership management, plans, members, tracking, payment gateway integration to collect money online, AI diet and workout plan generator for faster delivery, AI content writer, whiteboard video creator, BMI, BMR and calorie calculators to increase engagement. Commercial license. Set up your health and wellness business, multiple income streams all running from one platform. A high margin freelance service that practically sells itself. Fitzo AI is built for personal trainers and online coaches who want more bookings, gyms and fitness studios that need memberships plus payments in one place, yoga or Pilates studios that want schedules, class booking and reminders, agencies or freelancers who want to build and manage wellness sites for clients, anyone tired of juggling WhatsApp, spreadsheets and multiple tools. Fitzo AI replaces 7 tools costing $900 plus every single month. MindBody at $129 per month, Wix at $125 per month, MailChimp at $130 per month, a content writer at $300 per month, a booking plugin at $149 per month, a video tool at $199 per month. That's $900 plus every single month, just to keep the basics running. And if you're a freelancer or digital marketer, read this carefully. You already know the health and wellness niche is enormous. Millions of health and wellness businesses globally, most of them with terrible or no online presence, all willing to pay serious money to someone who can fix it. Health and fitness websites are among the highest paid services on Fiverr and Upwork. Freelancers charge up to $1,000 per site. With Fitzo AI, you can build a complete AI health and wellness business website for a paying client in under few minutes and keep every dollar you charge. Build complete health and wellness sites for local gyms, trainers and studios. Charge $500 to $2,000 per project depending on your market. Commercial license included. Keep 100% of all client fees. No revenue sharing, no restrictions. Scale to 5, 10, even 20 clients because delivery takes hours, not weeks. One freelancer, one tool, one niche. That's a full-time 5-figure income without building a personal brand, without running paid ads. Just find health and wellness businesses in your city or online and deliver what they've been looking for. Now, how much is this going to cost you? Let's look at what you'd normally pay to run a proper health and wellness business online. Total monthly cost of all tools alone over $30,000 per month. We could charge $599 a month for Fitzo AI or even $299 a month, and it would still pay for itself from just one client or one new booking. But during this special launch window, you are not paying monthly. You are not paying $299. You are not paying $99. You get everything, the complete Fitzo AI platform for a single one-time investment of just $37. One payment, no monthly fees, no hidden cost, instant access. And you are fully protected with 30 days money back guarantee. If you don't love it, you don't pay. So here's the choice in front of you right now. You can keep doing what you've been doing, putting it on the list, losing clients to better looking competitors, chasing payments over WhatsApp, watching the money you've worked hard for walk out the door every month. Or you can own the system that fixes all of it today. This is a launch only price and it will not stay here. After this launch window closes, the one-time price goes away. Fitzo AI moves to a monthly subscription model. Agency license access becomes a separate, higher priced upgrade. The current pricing and feature structure will not be available again. This is not pressure. It's just the reality of how launch pricing works. Getting access now locks in the advantage permanently. Fitzo AI was built for exactly where are you right now. Launch your fitness and wellness business online today. No developer, no tools, no excuses. Start your fitness business without the technical headache.